For Comitatus. All set, ready to race. Race number 13. Gates open, they're up and racing. Comitatus, Panama King, right behind in second, moving up by the rail, Mr. Universe. Then comes Damong Ligaw, Queen's Prayer, also moving up, is sneaking in Unpredictable. Running by the rail, Mama Don't Preach. Go Vini running in between runners. Then comes Ting Tang. Next in line is Blue Phoenix, followed by Mr. Slim. Running by the rail, Yes Keen, and runner number 11, Jaden Dugo, is racing in 13th. Back to the leader. Now we have runner number 7. This one, Queen's Prayer, takes command. Komitatu shuffle back in second and racing in third, Panama King, as they race at a 450. Queen's Prayer fighting back down on the inside is Komitatus. Panama King still running in third as they swing for home. Comitatus, Queen's Prayer, shuffle back in second on the outside. Panama King now getting closer in third. And down the stretch they come. Comitatus, Queen's Prayer, Panama King still in third. With 100 meters of the race, Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse on Comitatus, winning this race over Queen's Prayer, Panama King, Mama Don't Preach, then comes Mr. Universe, and